Here is how to sign up for HubSpot Academy. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot Academy. Once the website loads, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. On the Sign Up page, enter your email address and click Next. Then create a password and fill in your first name, last name, and any other required information. After that, review the terms and conditions, check the required box, and click Create Account. If you choose to sign up with Google, simply select your Google account and follow the prompts. Then complete the onboarding questions such as your website, company size, and domain. Once you are logged in successfully, you will be taken to your dashboard. Scroll down to explore all the available courses and learning paths. You can now browse courses, enroll in certifications, and start learning. That's how you can sign up for HubSpot Academy. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.